I just wanted to share my library's particular AI strategy. We developed this about a year and a half ago, and you'll see, it sort of refers a bit to the stuff that we were just talking about. But for my library, which is a large academic library at a R1 institution, our AI strategy is to, as I said on the previous slide, utilize AI tools as to enhance existing services or as the basis of new services. As a research-intensive environment, it makes sense for us as part of our strategy to identify and partner with researchers on the development of tools or models. As an organization that has, traditionally done library instruction and information literacy, very much makes sense for us to support campus AI literacy by offering classes and workshops. Obviously, we need an AI literate library. And acknowledging that it is probably helpful for everyone to have a shared baseline understanding of AI, but also acknowledging then that depending on a particular person's role and a particular person's interest and a particular person's capacity, that beyond sort of the basic literacy, that's just a building block for people in other areas of the library to move on with maybe more specialized training that is more related to their functional area or interests. And then for us, finally, is to be a source of data. So, thinking a lot about library catalog records, digital collections, records, digitized materials from both library-owned and library-leased sources, the responsible use in campus AI and ML initiatives. So, I think as libraries, it behooves us to make, our, trusted and, as unbiased as it can be, not intentionally biased, maybe is the way to say it, data available to AI tools and models to, at least theoretically, help to influence AI in a sort of a more ethical and more fact-based direction than it might otherwise go.